Hello, I'm Jack Carney DeBoard from Jack's Law Office, where your needs come first. Today's video tip is about 5 factors that you should consider and think about, because if those factors are in your case, a dissolution probably won't work. Number 1, you don't trust him about money or her about money. If you think that there's X amount of money left in the bank account and there's really Y, you've got a problem. If you think that there is retirement monies available and there's not, you got a problem. Number 2, if you're not aware of all of your financial holdings, in other words, if one side does not want to disclose to the other how much income they make, how much is in a bank account, how much retirement income you have, then that's a telltale sign that a dissolution won't work. Number 3, if you don't trust the other side as to following through. So we can have the best contract, the best dissolution in the world, but if at the end of the day the other side is not going to uphold their side of the bargain, then that's probably not a case you want to do a dissolution for. Number 4, if the other side drags their feet, if the other party, husband or wife, is the type of person that just can't make a decision, then dissolution may not work for you. Because in a dissolution, remember, there's no court process going on at the beginning. So there's no way to keep that person's feet to the fire, as we say. So that probably, if that's there in your case, probably not the way to go. And last, if the other side really doesn't want to terminate the marriage, that would be number 5. Why is that so important to understand? Because when it gets down to it and you go to your dissolution hearing, if one side does not show up, the court dismisses the case. So all the work that you've gone through, all the paperwork, payment of attorney fees, all the hard work, the case is dismissed and you have to end up filing for divorce. So if you have a hunch that he's not going to show up or she's not going to show up for your dissolution hearing, it's probably not going to be a good idea to go through the dissolution process. If you have a question about any one of those 5 factors as it relates to your dissolution, please pick up the phone and call me, 740-369-7567. I'm Jack Carney DeBoard from Jack's Law Office.